If you're a man over 50 dealing with sensitivity issues, reduced firmness, or recovery problems, what I'm about to share could completely transform your experience. This isn't about enhancement products or medications. It's about using specific natural oils in a way that protects tissue health, improves blood flow, and yes, can help maintain firmness for extended periods. I'm Dr. R.ENAMALIK Carter. And after over a decade in urology, I've seen how the right lubrication protocol can make the difference between tissue damage and tissue health, between diminished sensitivity and enhanced pleasure, and between quick loss of firmness and sustained response. Today, I'm going to explain exactly which oils work best, why they're superior to commercial products, and how to use them properly for maximum benefit and safety. Let's start with what's actually happening to your tissues after 50 that makes proper lubrication not just helpful but essential. Your skin produces significantly less natural oils as you age. The sebaceous glands that kept everything naturally moisturized in your 20s and 30s are now producing maybe 40% of what they used to. This means the delicate, penile skin is more prone to irritation, micro tears, and damage. The elasticity of your tissue has also changed. Collagen production decreases with age, making skin thinner and less resilient. What used to bounce back quickly now takes days or weeks to heal. Every session without proper lubrication is potentially causing cumulative damage that reduces sensitivity over time. Your blood vessels have also changed. The endothelial lining that helps vessels dilate has become less responsive. But here's where it gets interesting. Certain oils can actually improve local blood flow when absorbed through the skin, helping maintain firmness that might otherwise fade quickly. There's also the nerve sensitivity issue. Years of friction without adequate lubrication can damage nerve endings, leading to decreased sensitivity. Many men don't realize that the numbness or reduced pleasure they're experiencing isn't just aging. It's accumulated damage from improper technique and inadequate lubrications. Before we dive into specific oils, let me explain why natural oils are often superior to commercial lubricants for this purpose. Most commercial lubes contain glycerin, parabens, and other chemicals that can actually irritate sensitive tissue with regular use. They're designed for short-term slickness, not tissue health. Natural oils, on the other hand, contain vitamins, fatty acids, and compounds that actually nourish the skin while providing lubrication. They're absorbed partially into the tissue, providing both immediate slickness and longer-term benefits. Many contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce irritation and promote healing. The absorption factor is crucial. While water-based lubes sit on top of the skin and evaporate, oils penetrate slightly into the upper layers of skin, providing sustained lubrication and delivering beneficial compounds directly where they're needed. This is especially important for maintaining comfort during extended sessions. Let's start with coconut oil, which might be the single best all-around choice for most men. Virgin unrefined coconut oil contains lauric acid, caprylic acid, and vitamin E, all compounds that benefit penile tissue health. The lauric acid in coconut oil has natural antimicrobial properties, helping prevent bacterial or fungal issues that can develop in warm, moist areas. This is especially important for uncircumcised men or those prone to irritation. It's like having a protective barrier that keeps harmful microorganisms at bay while allowing beneficial bacteria to thrive. Coconut oil also has an interesting effect on blood flow. The medium-chain triglycerides are absorbed through the skin and can improve local circulation. Many men report that using coconut oil helps them maintain firmness longer than with other lubricants. While this isn't scientifically proven, the anecdotal evidence is compelling. The vitamin E content helps repair damaged tissue and maintain skin elasticity. Regular use can actually improve skin quality over time, potentially reversing some age-related changes. Men who switch to coconut oil often report increased sensitivity within a few weeks as the tissue health improves. For use, warm a small amount between your hands first. Cold oil is uncomfortable and doesn't spread well. Start with about a teaspoon. You can always add more, but too much gets messy. The oil melts at body temperature, providing perfect slickness without being runny. One consideration, coconut oil is chemogenic, meaning it can clog pores. If you're prone to ingrown hairs or folliculitis in the pubic area, you might want to avoid getting it on the hair-bearing skin. Focus on the shaft and glands only. Next up on my list is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is my recommendation for men dealing with sensitivity issues. It's lighter than coconut oil, absorbs more readily, and contains specific compounds that benefit nerve health. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, even more so than coconut oil, but it also contains B vitamins, particularly riboflavin and niacin, which support nerve function. When applied regularly, these vitamins can help repair damaged nerve endings and improve sensitivity. Think of it as nutrition for your nerve endings. The omega-3 fatty acids in almond oil reduce inflammation at a cellular level. This is crucial because chronic inflammation, even mild, reduces sensitivity and blood. By calming inflammation, you're removing a barrier to proper nerve function and vascular response. Almond oil has what I call the Goldilocks consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. It provides excellent glide without feeling greasy, and it doesn't dry out quickly like some lighter oils. This makes it ideal for extended sessions where reapplication might interrupt the experience. For men with sensitive skin or those prone to allergic reactions, sweet almond oil is typically well tolerated. However, if you have a nut allergy, obviously avoid this one. Always do a patch test on your inner arm first if you're unsure. Use about the same amount as coconut oil, a teaspoon to start. It spreads more easily than coconut oil, so you might need less. It also doesn't solidify at room temperature, making it more convenient for spontaneous use. The third oil is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is lighter than both coconut and almond oil, making it perfect for men who find other oils too heavy or greasy. But don't let its lightness fool you. It's packed with compounds that specifically benefit vascular health. Grapeseed oil contains proanthocyanidins, powerful antioxidants that strengthen blood vessel walls and improve circulation. When applied topically, these compounds are absorbed and can improve local blood flow. Better blood flow means firmer, longer-lasting erections and improved sensitivity. The vitamin E and linoleic acid in grapeseed oil help maintain skin barrier function. This is important because a healthy skin barrier prevents moisture loss and protects against irritation. Men who use grapeseed oil regularly often report that the skin feels more resilient and less prone to irritation. One unique benefit of grapeseed oil is its ability to regulate sebum production. If you find your genital area gets too oily or too dry, grapeseed oil can help balance things out. It's particularly good for men who experience both dryness and occasional oiliness. The consistency is very smooth and silk-like, providing excellent glide without any stickiness. It absorbs relatively quickly, so you might need to reapply during longer sessions. Keep a small bottle nearby for easy reapplication. Next up is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is technically a wax ester, not an oil, and this unique structure makes it incredibly similar to human sebum. Your skin recognizes it and absorbs it readily, making it one of the best options for actually improving skin health over time. Because it mimics natural sebum, jojoba oil helps regulate your skin's oil production. If you're producing too little natural oil, common after 50, it supplements it. If you're producing too much in certain areas, it signals your skin to produce less. This balancing effect is unique to jojoba. Jojoba contains vitamin E and B complex vitamins that support skin health and nerve function, but it also contains minerals like zinc and copper, which are essential for tissue repair and maintaining sensitivity. Regular use can actually improve the health and responsiveness of penile tissue. The consistency is perfect for extended use. It doesn't dry out or get sticky, and a little goes a long way. It's also the least likely to cause any allergic reactions or irritation, making it ideal for men with sensitive skin or those prone to reactions. One interesting property of jojoba is its stability. Unlike some oils that can go rancid quickly, jojoba has a very long shelf life. You can keep a bottle by your bedside for months without worry about it going bad. The fifth option is argan oil. Argan oil is more expensive than other options, but for good reason. It contains unique compounds that make it particularly beneficial for aging skin and tissue health. The vitamin E content in argan oil is exceptionally high, but it also contains squalene, a compound that improves skin elasticity and moisture retention. For men over 50 dealing with thinning, less elastic penile skin, argan oil can actually help restore some youthful qualities to the tissue. Argan oil contains ferulic acid, an antioxidant that's been shown to improve blood vessel function when applied topically. This could contribute to better firmness and duration. It also contains compounds that reduce inflammation and support healing, making it ideal for men who experience irritation easily. The texture is luxurious without being heavy. It absorbs well but leaves a protective layer that maintains slickness. Many men report that argan oil provides the best balance of absorption and lasting lubrication. The only downside is cost. Pure argan oil is expensive, but a little goes a long way, and the benefits might justify the price for men dealing with significant sensitivity or tissue health issues. Make sure you're getting pure organic argan oil, not a blend. Now, you don't need all 5 oils. In fact, using too many different products can be counterproductive. Here's how to choose and use them effectively. Start with one oil based on your primary concern. If you need general lubrication and protection, coconut oil is your best bet. For sensitivity issues, try sweet almond oil. For circulation and firmness concerns, grapeseed oil. For overall skin health, jojoba. If you want premium care and can afford it, argan. Apply the oil at least 5 to 10 minutes before any activity. This allows some absorption into the tissue, providing both surface lubrication and deeper benefits. Warm the oil between your hands first. This improves spreadability and comfort. Use enough to provide comfortable glide, but not so much that you lose sensation. Start with half a teaspoon and add more as needed. It's better to add more during the session than to start with too much. For extended sessions, keep your chosen oil nearby for reapplication. Most natural oils will need refreshing after 20 to 30 minutes of activity. Simply pause, add a small amount, and continue. For sensitivity restoration, combine sweet almond oil with a small amount of vitamin E oil. You can pierce a vitamin E capsule. This provides intensive nerve support. For premium care, mix jojoba and argan oils. This combination provides both immediate comfort and long-term tissue health benefits. Some men like to add essential oils for additional benefits. A drop of peppermint oil can increase blood flow and provide a tingling sensation. Lavender oil can help with relaxation. However, be very careful with essential oils. They're potent and can cause irritation if overused. Never use more than 1 drop per tablespoon of carrier oil. While natural oils are generally safe, there are important considerations for genital use. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to check for any reaction. The genital area is more sensitive than other skin, so even if you've used an oil elsewhere without problems, test it first. If you're using condoms, be aware that oils break down latex. Oil-based lubrication and latex condoms are incompatible. If barrier protection is needed, you'll need to use polyurethane or polyisoprene condoms or stick to water-based lubes during partnered activities. Watch for signs of irritation or infection. While natural oils have antimicrobial properties, they can potentially trap bacteria if hygiene isn't maintained. Always wash before and after use and discontinue if you notice any unusual symptoms. Store oils properly. Keep them in a cool, dark place to prevent rancidity. If an oil smells off or has changed color or consistency, don't use it. Rancid oils can cause irritation and don't provide the same benefits. When you commit to using quality natural oils consistently, the benefits compound over time. Tissue health improves. The vitamins and fatty acids actually repair and strengthen the skin, potentially reversing years of damage from inadequate lubrication. Many men report increased sensitivity and pleasure after a few weeks of consistent use. Circulation enhancement becomes noticeable. The compounds in these oils that support vascular health have cumulative effects. Better circulation means not just firmer erections, but also faster recovery between sessions. The protective effects reduce future damage. Every session with proper lubrication is a session that isn't causing microtrauma to delicate tissues. This preservation of tissue health pays dividends as you age. Some men report that regular oil use has helped with other issues like dry skin, irritation from clothing, and even minor Peyronie's disease symptoms. Here's my recommendation. Choose one oil based on your primary needs. Commit to using it consistently for 30 days. Apply it 5 to 10 minutes before any solo activity. Use enough for comfortable glide and reapply as needed. Keep notes on sensitivity, comfort, duration of firmness, and any skin changes. Most men notice improvements within 2 weeks, with continued benefits developing over the full month. After 30 days, you can experiment with other oils or combinations to find your optimal protocol. What works best is highly individual. Some men swear by coconut oil, others find it too heavy. Some love the lightness of grapeseed. Others need something more substantial. Using the right oil isn't just about making things more comfortable. It's about protecting and potentially improving tissue health, sensitivity, and function. For men over 50, when natural oil production has decreased and tissue resilience has declined, this becomes not just helpful but essential. You're investing in the long-term health of intimate tissues that contribute significantly to quality of life. The few dollars spent on quality oils could save you from sensitivity loss, tissue damage, and the need for medical interventions later. Remember, this is about health and self-care, not just pleasure. Taking care of intimate tissue health is as important as any other aspect of wellness. With the right oil protocol, you can maintain or even improve function and sensitivity well into your later years.